What's up, YouTube? I'm back and I'm black, and I'm here to react to how regular English sounds to Jamaicans. I didn't even have to say nothing, cause y'all can already see the title. Now, I do want to know how it sounds to y'all, cause sometimes I'll be listening to Jamaicans talk, and I'll be like, I didn't catch a look at that. All I heard was like a bunch of mumbling gibberish. That's what it sounded like. I was be like, huh? But we finna see how we sound to them. What did it say? Julius? Gialis? Got, I don't know. Gialis in Paris. And it said Pop Smoke.
Hey, what's up, man? Let me go ahead and get a number 3 decaf.
What kind of milk would you like with that?
Yeah, I only drink almond milk. Can I get some almond milk?
What I never know. You just said you say you want almond milk?
Yeah.
Sure, this the Mark. Yo. Hear the man say. Man say you want every man milk to blood.
I didn't say. When did you hear me say that?
Whoa!
That you say you want almond milk.
Yeah,
You said you want almond milk?
Fish. Yo. That's him I say. Dirty boy that man. Dirty boy free man. Yo, you have to come out of this man.
Dirty boy that man.
No milk from man over here. You have to move.
I said almond milk.
You have to
And
move.
you said, yeah, you got almond milk.
Hey, you have to go next door in you. No, hey, listen to me, parrotfish.
What's wrong with
Snapper.
almond milk?
Why you calling him a parrotfish?
You nobody know better. No, man.
What's wrong with
Yeah,
almond
you know,
milk?
I was just an
He said-
accident. I just want to file a claim.
What's wrong with almond milk?
Alright, no problem. Were you at fault or were they at fault?
Yeah. No, I wasn't at fault. I was rear-ended.
Me,
BOMBACLAAT.
No, sir. Mark.
Mark.
Hear that a while ago? Man say him get a backus to blood
What the
killer.
fuck?
What?
When did you hear me say that?
Eh?
Hold
You
on,
know just say
what is it?
What that mean?
Yeah, that means they hit me from fuck. When,
Hear that a while ago? Man say him get a backus to blood killer.
when did you hear me say that?
Eh? You know just say
When did you hear me say that? When did I say that?
Yeah, that means they hit me from behind.
Yeah, man. Saman. Dirty boy that. Dirty boy for chewing on, hey boy, you have to move your bumbo clat, you know. Insurance company, when I deal with nothing, we end up in your rear. Yo, you see?
Yeah.
Brother, you have to come
You
out and
tripping,
this
bro.
thing up,
You
Lord.
tripping, bro. He hit me. He rear-ended me. That's a boy. Oh, you say you want the back eyes. Well, when did I say that? When did I say that?
You're living on an enemy. No, brother, we can't help you right now.
You're living on an
Automobile
enemy.
insurance we deal with. This is crazy.
Bro.
No, you may send out crab legs. You need health insurance.
That's not what I
brother.
said.
We can't help you, BOMBACLAAT.
That's not what I
Hear
said.
me, I said no lie.
That's not what I said.
We can't help you. Thank you for coming. See,
Where you getting this information from?
I want to file a claim.
All right, no problem. Were you at fault or were they at fault?
Yeah. No,
From the
I wasn't at
Americans'
fault.
view?
They I was rear-ended.
Me, wait till they end up in your rear. No, sir. Mom.
No, sir.
Hear that a while ago? Man say him get a
Why
backus
this
to
nigga
blood
got a
killer.
jean jacket
When did you hear me say
with
that?
no
Eh?
shirt
You know
on
just
at
say
all?
get
Shit.
rear-ended. What that mean?
Yeah, that means they hit me from behind.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Dirty boy that. Dirty boy for chewing on, hey boy, you have to move your bumbo class, you know. Insurance company, when I deal with nothing, we end up in your rear.
Yo,
You
yeah.
see it? Brother, you have to come out and this thing up, Lord. You're living on an enemy. No, brother, we can't help you right now, you know. Automobile insurance we deal with. This is crazy. No, you may send out crab legs. You need health
That's not what I
insurance,
said.
brother. We can't
That's not what I
help you,
said.
BOMBACLAAT. Hear me,
Where
I
you getting
said
this
no
information
lie,
from?
Where you getting this information?
we can't help you. Thank you for
For real,
coming.
where did you get that from? Like,
What's
nigga,
up,
what?
man? Let me go ahead and get a number 3 decaf.
Uh-huh.
And what kind of milk would you like with that?
Yeah, I only drink almond milk. Can I get some almond milk?
What I never know. You just
Hold on there,
you say
brother.
you want almond milk?
Yeah.
You said you want almond milk?
It's the Mark.
Mark,
Hear the man say.
hold on. Why he got, this nigga made a whole mess back there. Mark, you need to do your fucking job.
Man say you want every man milk to blood.
Hey,
What?
I didn't say.
I did not say that. I did not
say. You
say.
say you want almond milk.
Yeah,
blood.
almond milk.
Yeah, man. Fish.
Yeah, man.
That's him I say. Dirty boy that. Dirty boy free, man. Yo, you have to come out of this in a coffee shop there, you know. When I sell no milk from man over here. You have to move your bum buckler. You have to move.
But
No.
I didn't ask
Hey, you
for
have to go next door.
What?
No,
I'm-
I just-
hey,
what's
listen
wrong with
to
almond
me,
milk, man?
parrotfish,
what's wrong with
snapper,
almond milk?
what's wrong with almond?
You lose
Why they say Gotham
man.
mocha, Gotham hot chocolate?
Hey man, what's up? I'm thinking about redoing the floors in my house.
Alright, no problem. Were you thinking of tile, carpet?
I was thinking of doing hardwood actually. Do you guys have
Hardwood?
Bumbuckler. You say hardwood?
Yeah, hardwood.
Yes.
Mark! Yeah, the man said. He want stiff cocky to blood clot.
What?
Yo, when did
When was that
did you
said?
get
So you know just say you want hardwood.
Yes.
Yeah,
Alright,
I
so
want stuff
hardwood
for.
what then? Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
That's him I say. Dirty boy that man. Dirty boy for true man. Hey,
He called
Yeah,
him
man.
a hardwood or
Yes.
what?
Alright, so hardwood what then? Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
That's him I say. Dirty boy that man. Dirty boy
Dirty
for
boy
true man.
that
Hey, you
man.
have to move your BOMBACLAAT in brother. We sell hardware but we not sell no hardwood for you wear. See? No, here what me I sell no blowfish.
This is absurd.
Next door, we know, brother.
He
you
just
still there,
pointing.
you're not
This
listening,
man
you're
is
not
up there with no
doing-
shoes.
Yeah.
First of all, this man is violating all the safety rules. You're not supposed to be climbing up there. You're supposed to have shoes on. This man ain't got no shirt, but he got on a jeans. And he just pointing to the exit. Like, bruh, I said I needed some stuff for some hardwood. Hardwood what then? He was
You
called.
go next door, brother. Hey, you're still there, you're not listening, or stonefish. Leading
flabbergasted.
fish. Me tell you, so we're not
He
sending
said I'm
people
flabbergasted.
over here. Here when me I send a blue crab. Muscle.
What? And you have a Cameron friend? Nigga went to sleep. Nigga woke up in the bed. He like, wait a minute, how the fuck I get in? How the fuck I get in my bed? Hey, what's up? How did I end up in bed? Hold up, did the sound cut off on the song, or was that me? Okay, did that on his own. How'd he get in the bed? Why he got a Western Union shirt on? You were exhausted. I tucked you in. Bro, why don't you just wake him up? I didn't even
Hey,
hear none
what's
of
up? How
that.
you doing?
I'm help
I'm the
you.
leader of a bike club, and I want to stretch my team out. So I'm trying to get some knee pads.
Stretch your
some
team
helmets.
out?
I want to protect our heads. You know, on the weekends.
What?
I like
Knee
to
pads
ride
and
hard with
helmets?
my buddies.
Hold
You
on,
like-
hold on there, brother. Hold on there, brother.
Hold on
Wait
there,
a
brother.
second, right?
Hold on there, brother. What did you just say there?
Man saying fuck man to
What?
BOMBACLAAT.
Where'd you get that from?
Brother, you know just
You
say
say
right
you
together with
wanna-
your buddies.
Yeah, me and my buddies. We ride bike.
But you did not say you
Brother,
right
you
together
know
with
just say right together with your buddies.
right
Yeah,
together with
me
the
and my
buddies.
buddies. We ride bike. Helmets, protection.
Yeah, man.
That's him, I
Sorry.
said. Dirty boy, that man. Yeah, man, dirty boy for true. Hey, boy, you have to move your BOMBACLAAT, you know. We sell bike for drive. We can't help you drive, man, bike. You see?
I'm trying to get a.
Here what me I send
It's
a
so
fish
bike for man.
stick.
We can help you.
Help you drive, man, bike. You see? Man, dirty boy for true. Hey, boy, you have to move your BOMBACLAAT, you know. We sell bike for drive.
We sell
can't
bike
help
for
you
driver.
drive,
We
man.
cannot help you
See?
drive my
I'm trying to
bike.
get a.
Here what me I send a fish stick. You have to go next door, now, brother. You're shellfish.
Dirty
you
boy,
still
that
need
man.
for allergies. Yeah, man, a safari. You're still there, me say we cannot help you catch fish.
He was like, whoa.
Sword,
You said you
hockey
want
and
to.
salt.
You said you
Suck
ride with
your
your boy. What?
Me bumbo, what you say, brother? You want neighborhood watch?
You want
Yes.
Show
neighborhood
this to
watch?
blood clot. Mark! Man
Why
say
he
want
in the
look for
tree?
my cocky to blood clot.
What? When
Brother,
did
you
I
know
say
just say
that?
one neighborhood watch.
Yes.
Yeah, man, squid. That him I say. Dirty boy, for
Yeah,
true, man.
yeah, man. Squid.
Hey, I forgot move your BOMBACLAAT, you know, brother. Me are your neighbor, but trust me, you can't watch my hood, you see it?
Bro,
Alright, but here what me I send a fish tank.
no.
Yo, you have to catch a low tide.
And this man jump out the tree.
tree.
Why is he in your tree?
Pouring a sea sponge. Cocky watch, man.
Cocky
everybody
watch.
needs protection.
Cocky
need
watch
protection.
mine.
Go protect yourself with your shell, your blood clot turtle. You still there? Coming like you're not here with me. I say no octopus. Trout.
Disrespectful.
Grits mackerel. Caviar. Yeah, man, in my
We're
fancy
calling this man
fish.
all kind of
Flying fish.
calling this man all kind of different aquatic life. Oh man. What is it? It's a part 2. That man said, "Oh, what's this? Trick questions in Jamaica." I may get to that next. But yeah, man, this bro, that shit crazy. This man said, "Yeah, I'm here to." First of all, anybody would have reacted when this man said stretch his team out. I was instantly like, stretch your team out? What? Yo, you know, we need some knee pads, some helmets. You know, we're gonna be riding hard. Whoa, yeah, brother, what you said? Hey, yo, Mark. Boy, say. Wait a minute. I didn't say that. Yes, you did, bro. This man marking the trees. He ain't cleaned up none of the mess he knocked over. Well, I'm guessing when he heard Buddy say he want that all-man milk, he just dropped everything. Like, did he just say what I think he said? You don't have none of that here. We don't have that. Hey, thank y'all for watching, man. Like and subscribe, bro. Let me know what y'all want me to react to next. And, you know, hit the notification bell. This shit is it's just too funny to me. That's just too funny to me.
You know I'm ballin', usual like Kobe. Ooh, worry about a hater that don't know me. He say that he tough, then that boy gotta show me. Pull up Bentley truck, extra pose, and we fold deep.